As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm trying to decide between the Char-Broil Performance Series and the Weber Q2800N Plus grill. Both propane, both available on Amazon. Which one do I get?
Okay, let's break it down. The Char-Broil is definitely bigger. It's got 4 burners, a side burner, and a primary cooking area of 475 square inches. The Weber only has 1 main burner and a smaller grilling surface.
Right, space is important, since I sometimes cook for a crowd. But is bigger always better?
Not necessarily. The Weber's smaller, more compact. It's only 30 inches wide compared to the Char-Broil's 53.1 inches, so it's better if you have limited space, like a balcony. Plus, it's lighter, 51.2 pounds versus 85.
Good point. What about power? I want something that heats up quickly.
The Char-Broil boasts a 36,000 BTU rating. The Weber doesn't explicitly state a BTU rating, but it emphasizes a wide temperature range from 250 degrees to 700 degrees Fahrenheit and has a plus burner for searing. So while the Char-Broil might have raw power, the Weber seems more about temperature control and versatility.
Interesting. What about the grates? I hate cleaning.
The Char-Broil has porcelain-coated cast-iron grates, which are supposedly rust-resistant and easier to clean. The Weber also has porcelain-enameled cast-iron grates. Both should retain heat well for searing.
Okay, so similar there. What about extras? Any cool features that set them apart?
The Char-Broil has LED illuminated control knobs. Kind of fancy. It also has a temperature gauge on the lid. The Weber has a high dome lid for cooking larger items, detachable side tables, and get this, it's compatible with Weber Connect Wi-Fi probes for remote monitoring.
Wi-Fi probes? That sounds high-tech. What about the price?
The Char-Broil is around $370. The Weber's a bit more at $399.
So, the Char-Broil is cheaper and bigger, but the Weber is more compact and has those fancy features.
Exactly. It really depends on your needs. If you prioritize size and budget, the Char-Broil is a solid choice. If you want something smaller, more versatile, and are willing to spend a bit more, the Weber might be the way to go. And, don't forget the sky blue color option.
Haha. Okay, that's a lot to consider. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.